So this little screw caused me a whole lot of problems the other day when I was out shooting a sporting clays course, and I want to show you guys what happened. So here goes. This is the gas piston off of my GFY-1, so I'm bringing my GFY-1 into frame. The GFY-1, this is the gas piston off of it, and I want to show you guys the problem. So look at that. I mean, it is beat to pieces. I mean, just jagged, sharp, beat up. So started having feeding issues. It wouldn't fire the second round on a report pair or a true pair. It would jam on the first one. Wasn't doing right. And I looked through the handguard, and you can actually see this piston sitting at rest. It sits about right here at rest. And you can see that piston sitting at rest through the handguard. And I could see that it was all eat up. So I switched to a different gun because thankfully I was shooting with a team of 4, and one of the other guys had an over and under, and I just shot his over and under. And I get home, and I want to show you guys. So here, so you got your carrier here. This is your spring and your carrier. This is the whole piece that actually runs your bolt on the gun, okay? And if you look right here, you'll see there's a screw hole. And that screw that I showed you at the beginning holds this spring and this ball for the charging handle. So your charging handle goes here, and there's a little ball and a spring that is a detent for that. And so what happened is under recoil, this little set screw worked its way loose, and it was poking out, and every time the piston drove back, that high spot was just eating this piston up. So, lucky me, went to the hardware store, checked it out. My local hardware store was selling all kinds of, they have all kinds of great screws, and one of them is they have set screws. This is a 6mm by 1mm pitch standard set screw. And so I've got that, and I've got my ball detent and my spring, and I'm going to put this back in, and I'm going to put it in with red Loctite. And I'm going to put it in so that it's flush or slightly below flush. And then I'm going to put this on the lathe, and I'm going to dress this, and I'm going to dress this, and get this all clean and smooth again. And once I've done that, hopefully I have no more issues out of the GFY-1. But I thought I'd show you guys that gas piston and how eat up it was. And like I say, here's the charging handle here. And you see your charging handle's got these two little spots. And the way this thing goes in, it goes like that. And the ball detent actually clicks into that spot to keep it from coming out. So it would normally click in place, okay? And so, anyway, gonna put a little red Loctite, gonna get this thing tightened down, and once we do that, we're good to go. So I got the right size bit here as I drop my detent ball. And for you guys to see this, all you're gonna do is you're gonna drop this in this hole here, okay? Put your spring in the hole here. And what I want to do is just make sure this thing threads in still, because where this took some damage, I don't know how well it's going to go. So let's see. And I may need an actual Allen wrench and not my bit driver here. And I want to make sure I can get this below flush. So not quite. Let's go a little deeper. I want to make sure I can get that below flush, and that my charging handle works and all of that, because once I put red Loctite on it, it ain't coming off. So charging handle does in fact pop in snug, but it does pop in. Pops out. So let's check the other side just to make sure as I shake my whole camera stand here doing this. So pops in just fine. Pops out. Tough. I think this screw is just a hair longer than the original, but it works, and that's all that matters to me. So I'm going to, let's see, take this out. And I'm not a fan of red Loctite in a lot of places, because red Loctite, of course, takes heat to get loose. So you really need to mean it if you use red Loctite. But in the case of this particular gun and this particular issue, I want to make sure this doesn't happen again. So, voila, we're going to use red Loctite. So, got that on there. And we're going to tighten this down. And again, I'm going to tighten it below flush. Red Loctite does start to set pretty quickly. So, you need to be ready and get this thing started and get it going and get it in place. And if you drag your feet and you get it most of the way in and leave it proud, and it's still proud, so we're going to screw it in a little further. And it's a balancing act because you don't want this thing too tight, because the tighter you get it, the harder it's going to be to get that detent in and out. All right, so that is below flush. That's what I want. So we're going to let our Loctite set, and we're good to go. This GFY-1, I'm going to have it set up actually for a right-hand charging handle. So I'm going to go ahead and put my charging handle can't go on until I put the cover back on. So we're going to put this thing back together once that red Loctite dries. And hopefully that is the last issue we have with this. Like I said, I got to redress the piston anyway. So, but there it is, guys. So it was a problem for my gun. If you own this gun and you have feed issues, check your piston. And make sure that screw is in there. Mine worked loose on me, and I didn't realize it was an issue. So it won't work loose anymore, and hopefully she's good to go. Thanks for watching, guys.